Focaccia is a delicious Italian flatbread, and we're going to show you how to make it. Take 200 grams of bread flour, 3 grams of yeast, 4 grams of salt and of sugar, and mix them together well in a large bowl. Pour in 150 milliliters of warm water and gently mix it in with your hands. Add 10 milliliters of olive oil, and then you can knead the dough together properly into a smooth ball. Take a fresh bowl, pour in some more olive oil and rub it around the sides, like so. Then place your fresh dough ball inside and cover the bowl with cling film. Set aside for 1 hour. Use some more olive oil to grease a shallow baking tin, making sure to coat all sides. Set your dough in the center and press it down. Cover the tin with more film and set it aside for 30 minutes. Next, remove the cling film and pour olive oil on top of the bread. Rub the oil over the whole surface of your dough and make sure to dig it in using your fingertips. Now it's time to take fresh sprigs of rosemary and press them evenly across the top of your dough. Bake the bread for 40 minutes and watch it rise. When you're done, you'll have fresh focaccia that looks, smells and tastes absolutely amazing. A great snack to serve up with even more olive oil. Bellissimo!